Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're gonna just took that car to tell them thank you for slowing down. They actually stopped to allow us to safely pass the truck, but we would have been okay even if the car didn't stop, but they did the right thing in stopping, so we just blew our horn to say thank you. So basically, this is Moneague now. Small town, probably most famous for the Moneague Army Base. The JDF has an army base in Moneague, and also the Moneague Teachers College. Back in the day, this was probably a very important place, but right now, those are the only two things that really put Moneague on the map: the army base and the Teachers College. And the fact that you have to pass through Moneague to get from Kingston to Ocho. So this is the main road. We're going to just take a quick drive through the town so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. Okay, so if we were to go straight, we would continue on the road to Ocho. But we're going to go left here. And this road is also very important because if we were to go straight, we would come up on Fern Gully. Now, trucks and trailers and large vehicles are not allowed to go through Fern Gully because Fern Gully is a protected site. It's actually one of the most scenic or beautiful sites in Jamaica. So these trucks would have to go straight and eventually go through Claremont and then come into, go over Chalky Hill basically, because they cannot go through Fern Gully. So that's why that road is, that's where that road takes you. Okay, on the left now is where you drive to go to the Moneague Teachers College. So we're just going to take a quick tour through the town of Moneague. And also Fern Gully is very narrow. It has a lot of trees and stuff growing over the road. It's similar to like Holland Bamboo, but far more scenic. And you don't want the big trucks driving and knocking down the trees and the exhaust damaging the plants. So I think it's a very good idea that they have stopped the trucks from driving through it. And even with all the indiscipline we have on the roads in Jamaica, I can't remember ever seeing a truck or a trailer going through Fern Gully. It's like everybody just appreciates them. But what you don't notice is you don't see a lot of signs. Like for instance, where we just turned, there should be a sign on the main road that says no trucks allowed to go through Fern Gully. Use this road. So if you don't know, I mean, I don't know, but they need proper signage to explain to people that you can't, trucks are not allowed through Fern Gully. I think when you enter in Fern Gully, there's a sign, but by then it's too late. You're so far from the alternate route. But I guess everybody knows because I can't remember. We're actually going through Fern Gully today, so we'll take note to see if any trucks go through. Alright, so on the right is the Moneague police station. Of course, this is Jamaica, so the taxi just stops in the middle of the road to pick up a passenger. And the ironic thing is, look to the left. The taxi could easily pull off the road. Look at how much space they have and pick up the passenger. But you know why they don't do it? Because they are so worried that the few seconds it would take them to pull off the road, another taxi would come up and collect the person. So they just stop in the middle road. And it's a serious problem. It just adds to the indiscipline. And another problem is, look at the road. Oh my God. I mean, Moneague is a small town, so this is not a main road. But it's still, it shouldn't be. this road should be in a better state than this. Okay, now this is, I guess, the official or the unofficial taxi stop, but this is, oh my god, there's one person in that taxi. So literally the man took the taxi from where the car stopped, and we commented on it, to right here. Unbelievable. Well, it's an old man, so nothing wrong, but still, the point is the taxi should not have stopped in the road. And where those taxis have gathered out there is not an official spot. It's just they decide to just congregate there because it's on the main road, and that's where they drop off and pick up passengers. Alright, so back to Moneague now. This is the main road, and okay, there is no sign that says no truck allowed through Fern Gully. Use this alternate route. You see, we are on the road coming up to the turnoff, and there is no sign. So this is the kind of thing that you need a sign so people know. Okay, now here on the left is the actual turn off to go over Chalky Hill, which is the bypass to Fern Gully for the trucks. And there is no sign that says access denied, you can't drive through Fern Gully. Nothing. Nothing. So how would a truck driver know? How would a... Okay, well, that's something I need to work on. I need a sign. Alright, okay, coming up now on the right is a JDF Moneague base, and this is like a small city all to itself. Somebody said you can go there, or the one in Kingston, and tell them you're going to the military museum and they'll let you in. But this one I don't think has a museum. This is the 4th Battalion, the Jamaica Regiment. That's the official sign outside. And straight ahead is the base, but wait, the gate fly? Oh no, there's a security guard there. Oh, he put down the gate because we would have just gone in and take a quick tour, but okay, we're not going to interfere with the operation of the base. So we just giving you guys an idea, but this is a training base for the Jamaica Defence Force, and that's what you call the military in Jamaica, the Jamaica Defence Force. Alright, so this base actually has an airstrip on it. It's a very large base. And I think there are 3 large bases in Jamaica. You have Up Park Camp, which is the headquarters. Now look at this car, driving like a madman on the road. Up Park Camp is the main base. It's the largest base. It's the headquarters. And then you have the Moneague base here, which is a training base, but it's smaller than Up Park Camp, but it's still very large. And then you have a base up in the hills called, I don't know what you call that one, you know, but I don't remember, but there's a base up in the Blue Mountains, and I'm not sure, but I heard they were building a base in Montego Bay, and so I'm not sure how far advanced that one is, but those are the main bases in Jamaica. So we're back on the road heading towards Ocharios. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.